When I first got to Thailand, I didn't know what to expect. I arrived along with a handful of other volunteers to offer emergency assistance after the country was swept with deadly floods. Over 12 million people were affected. Nearly 800 lost their lives. We came as part of Kinship Circle's disaster response team, a volunteer-based organization that deploys all around the world to help animals in disaster situations. It was my first deployment, but I was working with volunteers who had been responders to the Japanese tsunami and nuclear devastation, the Gulf Coast oil spill, and the mudslides in Chile. Ron from Georgia, Adrian from Virginia, Brenda and Grady from St. Louis, Sherry and Beth from New Orleans. We worked long, hard hours at the emergency shelter set up by Kinship Circle volunteers and the Thai NGOs Save the Elephant Foundation and Soy Cats and Dogs Bangkok. Our team went out into the field and fed dogs stranded by the floodwaters. We made many trips to temples where stray or abandoned dogs congregated and starved. We took the most sick and injured. We got some injuries ourselves.
All right, go ahead.
We were doing things, helping. It may have only been my first deployment with Kinship Circle, but its impact on me was unforgettable. Feeding starving dogs and rescuing severely injured animals. This is the end result of charitable donations, and I got to see it with my own eyes. Kinship Circle may be small, but we are effective, and we are only able to continue to be in Thailand and wherever else animals need us with your support.